Hi guys, back at Baston's. Hope you're well, I hope you're keeping safe. I decided to treat myself the other day, and the package has arrived. So as you can probably tell, it is a new watch, and I'm gonna unbox it live, so to speak. So I tried this on the other night in a jeweler's, and it was a couple of other, the same brand, but it was a couple of other watches in the product range that I preferred, or thought I preferred, until I tried this on. And every time I kept going back to this. So it is a Tudor, and I have to say I think Tudor boxes are actually better than what you get from Rolex. And I kept going backwards and forwards to this. There was two other watches within the Tudor product range I thought I would prefer, and I kept coming back to this, and I slept on it, and here it is. It is the Tudor P01. I've got to say, I think this watch is absolutely stunning. I was really pleasantly surprised. It is completely different to anything else on the market, and that's what made me purchase it. I did go and think about it, sleep on it before I made the decision, and decided to pull the trigger. I probably will do a more detailed review on this watch. In the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.